On a beautiful sunny day, John is busy making another bug hotel for the station. We've got quite a few down there now. This one is a special, it's got a penthouse. He uses an old pallet, cuts it up, configures it to how he likes it, secures it all together, puts chicken wire at the back to stop everything falling out. As you can see on the ground, we've got all sorts of items that is going to go into this bug hotel. We fill it as much as possible and hopefully the bugs will enjoy it. That's made out of old pallets, all put together. This one's a special, it's got a penthouse. We filled it with cones, wood bark, bits of bamboo. We put wire at back and front to stop everything falling out. John has been busy making bird boxes, but this is what you need to start your bird box off. And then you just make it into a little box with a lid so you've got access to clean them out after the birds have used them. This morning he made another little bird box, which you can see. John has cut the wood ready to make a bird box. He just puts it all together, make a little box with a lid so you can clean it out after the birds have used it. Earlier this morning he made another little bird box which is sitting on top of our bug hotel, which he also made. It's all ready to go down to the station when we can go down there. Meanwhile, another pallet came in handy and it's ready, made a lovely planter for marigolds and herbs down at the station. It's amazing what you can do. Let's hope they like it.